Hi, Algebra 2. So in this video, we'll be going over how to factor the problem that you see on the screen below, or on the screen here. So I've gone ahead and just written out the identity for difference of squares over here, just so that I have that to reference. So I've got m to the 8th minus 9n to the 10th. And so the first thing I want to do is identify what my a squared is and what my b squared is. Well, a squared is going to be m to the 8th. Okay, so now when I'm trying to figure out what my a is, I need to ask myself what can I square so that I get m to the 8th? And the answer to that is going to be m to the 4th, because as a reminder down here, when I have m to the 4th and I raise it to a power of 2, my answer is m to the 8th. So when I've got a power to a power, I go ahead and I multiply those exponents and I get m to the 8th. Okay, so now that I know what a squared and my a is, let's go ahead and identify what my b squared is. So I can see that the thing that's in place of b squared is 9n to the 10th. And if I'm trying to figure out what my b is, I can go ahead and take the square root of both sides. Not the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of n to the 10th is n to the 5th. And so again, we can just quickly check our answers. So if I have 3n to the 5th and I raise this to a power of 2, what that does is that gives me 9, and then n to the 5th to the 2nd. So I've got a power to a power here. And that means I can multiply those exponents. That becomes 9n to the 10th, which is what I have here. Okay, so now that I've identified what my a is and what my b is, I can just go ahead and substitute it into my identity. So when I factor this expression, I'm going to get m to the 4th plus 3n to the 5th, and then m to the 4th minus 3n to the 5th. Go ahead and try the next one on your own, and then check the solution video to review your work.